writers, welcome to week 16. We have about a week and a half left of face-to-face interaction, and then we enter into finals week next week at the end of the week on Thursday, week 17. So welcome to week 16. There's only one discussion left for the entire semester, and it is your last and final workshop for your research essay. So for this discussion revision workshop, you're going to post basically a final draft, as close as you can to a final draft of your research essay as an attachment for us to read. You're also going to tell us what kind of feedback you want in a paragraph. Make sure that you read someone else's, a classmate's research, and give them feedback, because that's part of your grade on this discussion. I just had to fix that little typo there. So basically you're posting your research, final draft, paragraph of what kind of feedback you need or what you need help on, what you're looking for, and then make sure that you are responding to someone else. You can look at the rubric to give feedback. I want you to give very specific, detailed feedback about their thesis, their argument, their paragraph organization, their transitions, their citing of sources, their MLA citing. I want you to be looking at those things. So again, don't forget, this is our last discussion. Next week we are going to be grading journals and outside hours, and forms will be turned in next week on Monday. I look forward to seeing how your research projects are turning out. Have a wonderful week 16. Don't forget to breathe and try and take it as it comes. Try not to get overwhelmed. And if you need help, come see me during my office hours. Work with the tutor in the tutoring center and the writing center. Seek out those resources so you can get the help that you need.